it's just because we don't have a National Assembly. It's an impeachable offense that a law is passed and you now smuggle things into it. That's a criminal act. However, they have said they are going to look at it again. And even the things that were introduced, some of the things we are hearing that was introduced, because it was only yesterday or so that the National Assembly said they are going to release both the one they approved and the one that was signed so that you can see the disparity. If that man in the House of Reps did not notice that,
Honorable Dasuki,
yes, we would have just had a law that is not actually the past law for us going to be implemented. Right now, there are pushbacks because one of the things that people are even complaining about is that there is a clause that the taxman can pick you up without any. They just feel that you have infringed any of their distance. They come to your house and pick you up without any court.
Although they debunk that, though, they continue to debunk that.
Okay, but let's see the documents before we begin to debunk that. All right. Now, at the end of the day, Nance is saying on the 14th, they are going to go on strike. Your president is outside the country and is going to attend a party in UAE that will end on the 15th. So he'll be out when Nance will be.
And NAD too is threatening to go on strike on the job. National Association of Resident Doctors.
So you see, at the end of the day, people have been telling the president to see the voice of reason and allow this law to be properly passed. Send it back to the National Assembly. In fact, the normal thing is that even if they wanted to make some changes, they would have sent it back to the National Assembly without signing it and now complain that this clause should be changed. But that was not the case. They went ahead and did it on their own. And that is, like I said earlier, an impeachable offense. But on your mandate, we have National Assembly. Nobody is going to look at that.